Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video. And this quick video, I won't be showing you any make money online idea or any affiliate marketing idea, but I will be doing this basic video on how to get free traffic with Quora. Now, before we jump into the video, if you want more affiliate marketing content, how to succeed and also how to succeed in affiliate marketing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and also comment and like on this video so that you help me with the YouTube algorithm. So make sure to stay until the end so that you fully understand this method, because so many people get Quora wrong for getting traffic. So let's get into the video. So let's get into the video. Now, this is my profile on Quora. As you can see, I think I can do this tutorial because I got 5.4k content views, meaning views on answers, shares, and posts, as you can see. So I've gotten some good traffic with this platform. And the thing is that I didn't invest that much. I could have gotten a lot more traffic with this site if I had invested more site. I could still do it, but now I'm focusing on other traffic sources. But I think this would be appropriate for you guys who do not have a lot of money to spend on advertising and are willing to put in the work to get free traffic. And I guarantee you that Quora and Pinterest are the best social media platforms for you getting free traffic, let's say to your site, to your affiliate landing page, to your product, or to whatever location or destination or website you want to send that traffic to. So here I will show you some of the answers I've written. I have a lot of profiles with Quora. So this I have 5.4k only on this Quora account. I think on other Quora accounts I have 2k, 3k. I have 5 Quora accounts, and this is the best one that I got, that I've developed, that has, as I said, 5.5k views. The others have 1 to 2k views, which is a lot. So I'm going to take you back to the start, which is 217 when I started using Quora. And also you will see that I will reference a lot to a page called Point Prices, which I've talked here on my YouTube channel, which is a reward site that if you refer people to that site, they will give you points, and for that points you can exchange them for gift cards, such as PayPal gift cards. And yes, I make some money using Quora, believe it or not. So here are some questions. Here's a question that says, so let me beforehand explain how Quora works. So Quora is a question and answer platform where people ask questions and people then answer to that question. So you could do both. You could ask questions and wait for someone to respond to you, or you could answer that question to the person that asked that question. So in this case, for you to get traffic, you don't have to ask a question. You will have to answer the question, because the way to get exposure is by answering the question, not by asking in Quora, because by asking you don't have the control of what people see in that given question. So here I've encountered a question that said, what are the best free MMORPG games? And I detailed a very well established question. Like, I guarantee you to write 5 to 4 questions, and in the end of each answer, write put something like source, 2 dots, and put a hyperlink to the site that you want to drive traffic to. Now here, let's go to, this is another one where I link to a YouTube video I make for 5 simple home remedies for IBS. This got 380 views, and the one from below got 726 views, which is a lot. So this is my best answer till now, and this is what is the best way to get free PayPal gift cards. And one of the best way to get more exposure to your Quora answer is by including images in the answer. So as you can see, I posted screenshots of the site that I was promoting, and as I always said, so I put something like a call to action and then a hyperlink to the site. And as you can see, this answer got 1.4k views. This is my best answer until now on every account. That is insane. It's insane. I got a lot. I remember from this answer alone, I got a ton of traffic to point prices, which got me a lot of points. So that is good. This is another gift card answer, which says, how can I get many people to click my referral link generated by Gleam.io giveaway, specifically the Android Authority weekly giveaways. So this was a very targeted question. Generally, I recommend to answer not so broad questions, but also not so specific questions. Like, don't answer questions like how to make money online. That's very competitive. Answer questions like, how can I make money online with affiliate marketing on 2020 with ClickBank? So that is very targeted, and by doing that you are narrowing, and by narrowing you are putting in you're answering a question which won't have a lot of competition, if that makes sense. So now here's a mistake I made. Back in 2017, Quora moderation wasn't as a pain in the butt as it is now, because back in the day you could answer a question, put your link or your affiliate link or any link that you wanted to drive traffic to, and Quora wouldn't give a damn about it. But as they progressed their platform and developed their platform, they don't really like you sourcing a link. They do not, like, they are not bothered with the fact that you will put a link to a website in your answer, but they are bothered with the fact that you are always putting a link to your answers. So here is an example of an answer that doesn't have any single link in it. Now the purpose of this answer not having any link is, as I mentioned before, Quora will allow you to put links on your answers if they see that you are being collaborative and helpful with the answers and are not always spamming links to a site. So this is a question. This is a random question I found that said, can I do automated random Instagram shoutouts on my website? And as I said, and I write an honest answer on how to do that, and didn't link anything to any site. Now, questions like this, I would recommend you to do 5 of them after doing an answer where you will put a link to the site you will want to drive traffic to. So a rule of thumb would be 5 honest answers without links, and then 5 honest answers without links after an answer with a link. So 5, remember this rule, 5-1, 5-1, 5-1. And this is the best, and this got me the best results when Quora updated their moderation rules. So as you can see, I have a lot of answers when I hustled on Quora. Now let's say that you did those 5 answers, and you now want to search for an answer where you want to put your link to a site. But how do you know that that question is getting a lot of traffic and a lot of attention? So if you go to question, and let's go to my best one, and if you let's go to the question. So if we go to the question and we tap on these 3 dots and that says more, you will see something here at the bottom which says view stats and log. So this had like 6,342 views. Now, a rule of thumb for any question for Quora is that I would recommend that the question has at least 10,000 to a million views. This is a rule of thumb that I always follow with Quora when I do an answer which will have my link to a site. Yes, so remember this. The way to know that the question is getting views or traffic is by going to the more option, the more button, and clicking view stats and blog, and then here it will say question stats, and it will show you how many views it's getting. Yes, so Quora is very easy. So for researching trending questions, just go to a topic like make money online, and a topic related to the niche you want to drive traffic from, and you will start looking for answers on that, for questions on these given topics to write answers for. And that is all, guys. So this is all for this Quora tutorial on how to get traffic. It was very simple and very short. Hope you guys like it, and then I will start bringing some new methods to get free traffic, because I know some of you guys asked me for. So yeah, that's it. Remember to like, comment, and yeah, let me know any questions you have on the comment sections below, and yeah, remember to share this video. See you till next one, guys.